This is amazing. I should say that this is awesome because after going through these 2 days of servant leadership sessions, I am wondering why am I so late in attending this? And I think this is very important for each and everyone, not only in an organization but in every group. Each and every person, each and every individual must be aware of all these aspects. Their thought, provoking thought, awakening aspects, things that you kind of take easy, go easy on, but they add a lot of value into your life. So I think this is something nobody should miss out. Definitely, no second thought about it. I definitely buy that. And for an organization like UST, it is very important that people. I have always heard it from our leaders saying, people are the backbone of our company. You take care of the people, they take care of the clients and the business, and so are we a successful family. So it is very important that people's feelings, emotions, welfare is taken care, and for that it has to be a win-win for both the parties. Everybody should be aware of these aspects, and it definitely will help any organization grow. And UST has been unique in its work culture, the style, everything that we do has been different, and definitely servant leadership adds value to it.